Next, fifth question. One ant is there. What he is saying is one ant is there, and it is moving around different shapes for food. So he says, if it is moving from here to here like this, and like this, it is traveling certain distance. On the other hand, if this shape is there, then it is moving like this, in this shape and in this shape. In which shape it has to move for a longer distance, that he is asking. So, on the other words, simply he is asking to find the perimeter of these three figures and find out which is having more perimeter. If we find which is having the more perimeter, then we can say ant is moving in that particular figure for a longer period or longer distance. So what we need to find? First we will find the perimeter of these three figures and we will find which one is having more or largest perimeter. Now let us start. First figure. Now this is in the form of circle and this is half of it. So how to find? This is a semicircle. So find the perimeter. We know the perimeter of circle. This is given in the question itself. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. This is also given in the question. Now this is half of it. So if it is a full circle, by finding we will get the full circle perimeter. If we find half of it, what we will do? By 2 half of it we will do. So we will be getting only this part. This part we will be getting, and we have to add this also, this also. So what we will do is 2 pi r by 2. 2 pi r by 2 is pi r, half of it. And then we will add this one. Let us do it. Say first figure A. First figure. This part we will do. How much it is? 2 pi r by 2. That is pi r. Plus this part. What is this? 2.8 centimeters. Now the question is, what is the value of r? This total is given as 2.8 centimeters. What is this? This is not r, this is d, diameter. How to find the radius? That is simply d by 2, that is 2.8 by 2, that is 1.4. Simply r equal to 1.4. Let us apply here. 22 by 7 into what is r? 1.4 plus 2.8 centimeters. Cancellation. 7 ones are 7, 2s are 14, but this is points, so this is 0.2. 22 2s are 44, but point is there, so this is 4.4 plus 2.8, 7.2 centimeters. So what we are doing? This is the shape. In this is in form of semicircle, and this is not a radius, this is diameter. Total is diameter 2.8. So if we take the half of it, then it will be radius. We are calculating the radius. So by using that, we are finding this perimeter, this length, by using 2 pi r and by 2. This is 2 pi r is for whole circle. So we are making half of it. So pi r, pi r. So this pi r gives this value. So even in this case also pi r, we will be getting the same value. After that we are adding this 2.8. So we are getting the perimeter of whole figure, that is for A bit. For B bit. So if we observe for B bit also, this length will be same. This length will be same. This is 2.8. So half of it will be, so this is diameter 2.8, half of it will be 1.4. So this length will be same. 22/7 into half of it, 1.4. 7 ones are 7, 0.2s are. We will be getting same 4.4. Then we are having this one and this one. This is 1.5. What is this one? 2.8. 1.5, 2.8, 1.5. So we are traveling from here to here. Then this is 1.5. 4.4 plus 1.5 centimeters. Then this one 2.8 centimeters plus again this one 1.5. So this length 1.5, 2.8, 1.5. So total it will be 4.4 plus 1.5 plus 2.8 plus 1.5. 1.5 plus 1.5, 3. 3 plus 4.4, 7.4. 7, 8, 9, 9.4, 10.2. So this will be 10.2 centimeters. This is for B question, B bit. For C, how much it will be? Let us see. This part will be, however, same. That is pi r 22/7 into 1.4. So we will be getting 0.2. So this will be 4.4. And then next 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters. Easy one. This is up to this. We have calculated 2 plus 2. So 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters. 4.4, 4, 6, 7, 8, 8.4 centimeters. So for C bit, this is 8.4 centimeters. Now, this is 7.2 centimeters. This is 10.2 centimeters. This is 8.4 centimeters. Now, which is having maximum value? So, for B, it has to take longer time or it has to cover a longer distance and has to cover for B figure a longer distance.